In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Workspace account easy, 5 minutes. Before we start, make sure you're signed in as a super administrator. You'll need full admin rights to cancel subscriptions and remove the organization. Also, consider notifying your team and saving any important files or emails beforehand because canceling will end user access and stop mail from being delivered to your domain. Open a browser and go to the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com. Once you're on the admin homepage, look for billing. This is where all your active services live. Open billing, then go to subscriptions to see every subscription tied to your organization. Find your Google Workspace subscription in the list and open it. Inside the subscription page, look for the More menu. Click that and choose Cancel Subscription. Google will ask you to select a reason for canceling. Pick the option that best fits your situation and continue. This doesn't affect the process, but it helps Google improve the product. Next, you'll decide what happens to your data. Read the options carefully. This is the moment to confirm whether you want to preserve data for a limited period or proceed with immediate removal. If you haven't already exported what you need, pause here and make sure you have backups and ownership transfers taken care of, especially for drive files, shared drives, and any third-party apps tied to your workspace. You'll see a final summary screen. Read the details, check the acknowledgement box, type your administrator email address to confirm, and click Cancel My Subscription. After you confirm, the subscription will be canceled and access will wind down based on Google's policies. Be aware that some services may stop right away and others may enter a brief grace period. If you have more than one active subscription under billing, repeat that process until all workspace-related subscriptions are canceled. When you've canceled everything, return to the admin console home and open account settings. From there, go to account management. This is where you permanently delete the organization's account. Review the warnings, confirm you understand the impact, and follow the prompts to complete deletion. This step is irreversible, and after the process is finished, the organization and associated data will be removed according to Google's timelines. That's the full process. Cancel the Workspace subscription and billing, confirm the data choices and cancellation, then use account settings and account management to permanently delete the organization. Take your time with the data decisions, double check that your team is ready, and you'll be all set.